Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. English Speaking Course, Day 3 Notes. Objective. Learn how to form and use simple sentences in English. Practice speaking sentences in daily conversations. Warm-up activity. Review Day 2 content. Ask students to greet each other and have a small conversation, 2 to 3 lines. Sentence structure basics. Introduce the structure of a simple sentence. Type of sentence. Structure. Example. Declarative statement. Subject plus verb plus object. I like apples. Interrogative question. Question word plus verb plus object. What is your name? Imperative command. Verb plus object. Please sit down. Exclamatory. What/how plus subject plus verb. What a beautiful day. Practice with declarative sentences. Teach students how to make sentences about themselves. I live in Jerusalem. I like reading books. I study in 10 class. My favorite color is green. 4. Common question words. Introduce these question words and their usage. Question word. Usage. Example. What? To ask about things. What is your name? Where? To ask about places. Where do you live? Who? To ask about people. Who is your teacher? When? To ask about time. When is your birthday? Why? To ask about reasons. Why are you late? How? To ask about manner. How are you? Speaking activity. Pair students and ask them to take turns asking and answering questions using the question words above. Example. Student A, what is your favorite food? Student B, my favorite food is biryani. Common sentences for daily use. Teach practical sentences. Can you help me? I don't understand. Please repeat that. What does this mean? How do you say this in English? Group activity. Divide students into small groups. Give each group a scenario, e.g., shopping, asking for directions. Ask them to create a short dialogue and present it. Homework. Write 5 sentences about your daily routine using simple English. Example. I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to school. End the class. Good job, everyone. See you tomorrow. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.